Geo-Cart delivers turnkey solutions for 3D data collection and high-accuracy post-processing. In Arusha, Tanzania, our team carried out a high-precision aerial survey designed to generate reliable data for mapping and terrain analysis. To begin, our team established a GNSS receiver, collecting control points across the survey area. These reference points are critical for validating and strengthening the accuracy of the final outputs, ensuring that every detail on the map reflects the real-world ground truth. We set up a DRTK base station for real-time positioning, while on the ground, reference points were collected to strengthen accuracy. Flying the DJI Matrice 300 RTK, equipped with the Zenmuse P1 sensor, we captured ultra-high-resolution aerial imagery through a smart oblique mission. The P1's full-frame sensor allows for wide coverage with incredible detail, delivering sharp, accurate images that form the foundation for photogrammetry-based 3D models and accurate mapping. From every angle, the data ensures reliability for mapping, terrain analysis, and reconstruction with survey-grade accuracy. Designed for professional, large-scale photogrammetric projects, the P1 enables significant area coverage and achieves survey-grade precision, even without the use of ground control points. The mission advanced with the Zenmuse L2 sensor. Once fitted to the Matrice 300 RTK, it took flight. Scanning millions of points per second, with a detection range of up to 450 meters. The L2 fuses LiDAR with RGB imaging to deliver true color, centimeter-accurate point clouds. Even beneath dense vegetation, its precision reveals authentic terrain profiles, creating detailed 3D models of the ground surface. Back in the office, our expert team transformed the raw imagery and LiDAR data into topographical maps and digital terrain models. These deliverables turn complex landscapes into actionable insights, guiding planning, design, and future development projects with confidence.